Okay, Mom. Okay, guys, now we got it. So it's pretty good. So I'm just gonna add half of the next cup. Oh my God, there's so many sprinkles stuck in the next cup. So that's kind of a fail. Because we do not need sprinkles and poop emoji slime. Like, that's weird. That's suspicious. See, like, it's kind of making itself. I don't even know if we're gonna need to add a lot more, so I'm just gonna add half of it. Half. Yeah, I think it's pretty good. I think it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. I'm gonna take out the spoon. Mom, where should I put the spoon? Mom. I'm gonna put the spoon there. No, don't stop. Why would you stop the video? It's just getting good. Okay, I think I might have activated it a lot. Well, this is nice. Green camera at my hookah. Thank you, Mommy. Oh my God. Oh, no. Wait, why do I have so little bit? Okay. I have to play with it for a little bit first to get kind of good. But yeah, it's getting pretty good. Oh, I have a cut or something. So do you guys see it? Maybe I'm gonna add a bit more activator. Maybe a lot bit more. Because it could stick to stuff really easily. Okay, let me just get the slime out of the corners. My dog's right here licking my leg. That's good. That's suspicious. Do you know, like, those videos where they say that they get the filter, or like someone that says that's suspicious, that looks like Nicki Minaj? Someone that looks like Nicki Minaj. And Nicki Minaj, I don't know exactly what Nicki Minaj does. I think she sings songs or something. I'm pretty sure something good like that. This is definitely more than enough. Oh, I think that's good. Good. Like, I'm just gonna keep on taking it out. Like, I know that.